Hi guys, good morning. It's 9:27 a.m. here in Michigan. And today we're gonna have a snowstorm. So it's gotta be a strong one, guys. A storm right now, right?
Winter storm.
It's called winter storm. It's my first winter storm experience. So it looks like this, guys. Whoa! There's a lot of snow. I call it white rain. Dang, look at that.
Show that.
It's gonna be like that, look. Everything is white. What I'm talking about. Dang. Before I just saw it on television, but now I'm experiencing it. Well, so far I still love it. It's still beautiful to me.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's cool. It's cool and it's cold.
No.
It's not that cold right now, guys. So
Yeah,
it's not that
like
bad.
crazy
Yeah.
right now. It's 32 degrees,
Yep.
which is 0 degrees Celsius. Feels like 19 degrees though, so
Yeah.
it'd be like, feels like minus 4 or 5 Celsius.
Oh.
So not that cold really right now.
Yep. So it's gonna be cold on Monday and Tuesday, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep, yep, yep.
Can't wait. I'm so curious what Ryan's telling me about, like cold.
And that's not even gonna be really that cold.
Yeah,
Not
because
one day.
he said it's not that cold still.
Really?
Yeah, because he told me that, because I always told him that I still love it, and you know, I mean it's fine for me.
They changed it. It's only gonna be 12 degrees a high on Monday.
Yeah, and then Ryan told me,
6.
wait until it's super cold, and then you're gonna start to hate it. So that's gonna be the temperature, right?
Yeah, so Monday 12 degrees, low of 6 degrees.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tuesday 11 degrees, a low of 7.
So guys, we're driving right now on the new car, the Equinox. So it's a 4-wheel drive. Very nice so far, right?
Yep.
No problem at all.
No problem at all. All-wheel drive, handles good in this stuff.
And that's the best part. The steering wheel is heated.
Yeah.
Of course.
Heated seats and a heated steering wheel.
Heated seats.
So far, the reviews for the 2024 Chevy Equinox is good.
Yeah, super cool.
I'm just used to a truck, so I gotta get used to driving in a car every day. So
Yeah. So we're going somewhere, guys. Enjoy the view. I'm not able. Oh, I don't know. I want to record the. You call it the reverb.
yeah.
So hot.
You're always hot.
I feel hot, guys. So weird. We got toasted here. We're 80. So
I like it hot.
let's make it 69. I like it hot. There's a lot of snow. I can feel the cold a little bit. Different cold. Maybe because I didn't close my.
Getting bigger.
Yeah, I think without my coat I can survive outside, guys. Fun.
Yeah. Snowed in tomorrow, guys.
It's gonna be 14 feet of snow tomorrow. Inches, not feet. Darn it. Snowstorm, everyone. Bring the old machine. And we're gonna woke up tomorrow at like what? 14 inches? Snow.
That's what we'll wake up to.
Maybe more. It's so bad right now.
We're gonna be snowed in tomorrow. Show
Really?
you guys what all this snow will be like tomorrow. Yay.
Can I jump with it now? Whoa!
Just glad we got all-wheel drive.
Yeah, perfect.
Good morning, guys. Saturday, January 13th. It's the day after the big storm. It's supposed to continue through 7 p.m. tonight, but it's not snowing currently, but we got quite a bit of snow. Look outside here. Just crazy. Camper's probably got about a foot of snow on top of it. And cars got snow, but I think we got about 8 inches of snow last night. So Just making some coffee. This is my favorite right here. Sugar-free double mocha cappuccino. Yeah. We got some new buttons, pins, buttons in, guys. Trying to get shoveled out here, guys. Got a pile of snow. Whew. Fun. Look at this. Crazy. Yeah, we had a little accident, guys. He accidentally whacked the corner of the garage over there. Backed right into the corner of the garage with the truck. It's like, yikes. It's like, yikes. Kind of whacked it pretty good.
Winter is finally here, guys. It's just the start. It's so beautiful though. The cold is not bad yet. Maybe on Monday or Tuesday it's gonna be super cold. Let's see if I still love it. Or I'll change my mind. Let's go. There's a school covered with snow.
Yeah.
You can see the
They'll have
field
school tomorrow.
anymore. Huh? I don't think so.
Maybe.
We have school tomorrow? With all that? No, they're inside, so. But how are they going to park?
They're over there plowing.
have to be careful, guys, because sometimes the ice fall.
Probably won't so much today. If it falls today, it's not going to be bad. It'll just turn to fluff.
So guys, if it's fluffy, the snow is fluffy, it means it's cold. But it's compact, you can make a snowman, it's not that bad.
No, not that bad.
Yeah.
It's
What's the temperature outside?
right here. 15 degrees Fahrenheit.
So it's 15 degrees outside, guys. It's kind of cold. For
Plus
me,
15 degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius.
Minus 9.4 degrees Celsius.
Minus 9.4 Celsius.
minus 9.4.
Yep.
So it's 15 degrees and minus 9.4 Celsius, guys. So for me as a Filipina, it's kind of cold. Yeah. But if I go out with a coat, I mean, it's fine. But without it, I don't know if I can survive. No one's outside. Everybody's inside the house, chilling, drinking coffee. So peaceful. So I think this is the time that you really, like it's same thing, and then I'm really in the other country where I'm in the US. Because of the snow, it's kind of different from what I used to, like a tropical country. Always sunny, always hot. But this time around, it's it's different. So it's like same thing that I'm really in America. Ryan is bundled up. It means it's not good. Usually don't wear a coat. Ryan don't wear a coat and gloves, so he's wearing it right now. It's pretty cold. Campfire is covered with ice too. Oh my gosh.